RC600 appearance parts disassembly and oil change steps. Step 1. Remove the seat cushion. Use the key to open the rear seat and remove the front seat by pulling the buckle. Step 2. Remove the side cover. Note that the left and right side covers are buckle-shaped. Step 3. Remove the fuel tank cover. 2 bolts each for the left and right fuel tank covers. Please note that the left and right fuel tank covers are buckle-shaped. Step 4. Remove the ignition lock cover. 2 bolts on each side of the protective cover. Step 5. Disassemble the fuel tank. Unscrew the 2 bolts at the front and rear of the fuel tank, and then remove the oil pipe and sensor wire head below the fuel tank. Step 6. Disassemble the rearview mirror. 2 bolts each for the left and right rearview mirrors. Step 7. Remove the engine lower guard. 1 bolt each for the left and right protective plates. Note that the left and right protective plates are in a snap-fit shape. Step 8. Remove the vehicle's air deflector. Unscrew the 6 bolts of the diffuser wave plate. Unscrew the bolts of the left and right air deflectors again, with 8 bolts each from top to bottom, ensuring that the air deflectors are in a snap-fit shape. Finally, unplug the turn signal wiring harness. Step 9. Disassemble the diffuser wave plate. 1 bolt on each side. Step 10. Remove the front headlight cover. 6 bolts on each side. Pay attention to the 5 bolts on the front and 1 bolt on the back. Step 11. Remove the instrument panel cover. Unscrew 1 bolt on each side of the protective cover, ensuring that the cover is in a snap-fit shape. Then unplug the instrument cable and USB cable. Step 12. Disassemble the vehicle body. There are 8 bolts on each side of the car body. Note that the left and right car bodies are in a buckle shape. When disassembling the left car body, the seat cushion lock buckle needs to be removed. Step 13. Remove the lower guard plate of the rear seat cushion. 1 bolt on each side. The disassembly of the exterior components has been completed, and the cable layout, electronic fuel injection, and electrical components can be visually seen, which is also convenient for maintenance. From front to back, front headlights, instrument panel, left and right brake lever switches, ignition lock, rectifier, air filter, fuel filter, throttle body assembly, gear shift mechanism, auxiliary water tank filling port, carbon canister, starter relay, T-box, ECU, fuse, taillights, rear disc brake pump, flasher, battery, ABS assembly, main water tank filling port. Please note that this car is a replica race, and the rear shock absorber is set to 3rd gear by default. There are a total of 8 adjustable gears, and the rear shock absorber can be adjusted according to personal needs. Step 14. Change the engine oil. The oil drain bolt is located on the left side of the engine. Use a 17 wrench to tighten the bolt to a torque of 13 to 17. Please note that it is recommended to replace the engine fine filter during each maintenance and use specialized tools to disassemble it. It is recommended to use SM-grade fully synthetic engine oil, which should be maintained once every 5,000 kilometers. The oil filling amount for replacing the fine filter is 3 L, and the oil filling amount for not replacing the fine filter is 2.8 L.